Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send Christmas wishes to customers on WhatsApp. Yes, you can wish a Merry Christmas to your customers on WhatsApp by simply following the simple automation by using Pabbly Connect. So here, you just have to build a simple integration between Google Sheets and WhatsApp and see how you can send an automated WhatsApp message to your customers. So now moving ahead, trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two most important principles and concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically over here, as we want to send an automated WhatsApp messages to our customers on WhatsApp on Christmas, so to do that, we are going to use Schedule by Pabbly as a trigger application. And our action applications will be Google Sheets and WhatsApp because in Google Sheets we have the customer data and then on WhatsApp we want to send the Christmas wish. So now to do this we just have to build a simple integration between these applications and see how we can automate our entire process by using this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So let's integrate and automate with Pabbly Connect. But before doing that, let me tell you a jingle that we have created for Pabbly Connect. Jingle bells, Pabbly on its way. Automate all your tasks and take a long vacay. Now your work is done within a few minutes. All you have to do is sit, relax or play. Jingle bells, Pabbly on its way. Automate all your tasks and take a long vacay. Okay, so now let's move ahead and begin with the process. So this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and to build an integration between these applications, I am going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I am going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name that will be send Christmas wishes to customers on WhatsApp, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Christmas, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now you can see I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So as mentioned earlier, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my trigger window, as I want to send Christmas wishes to my customers on WhatsApp. So over here, it is clearly stated that I want to send a Christmas wish. So now I only want to send this WhatsApp message on Christmas. So over here, I'm going to use Schedule by Pabbly as my trigger application. And now over here, I will select that how often you want to run your workflow. So with the help of Schedule by Pabbly, I can decide that how many times I want to run this workflow. So this will be for once. And now moving to the date, here I'm going to mention the date as 25th December, that is Christmas. And I am keeping the time as 10 a.m. So this is the date and the time on which an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my customers. So now over here, I'm simply going to click on save. And here you can see that it is successfully scheduled. That means on 25th of December at 10 a.m., this automated WhatsApp message which I am planning to send to my customers will be sent. So now let us move ahead with the further steps. So now here in my action window, I'm going to use Google Sheets as my action application, and here it is. And the action event will be to get rows, because in this Google Sheet which I have created, I have added the customer data, that is the name and the phone number. So I want to fetch the details over here in Pabbly Connect. So now moving ahead, once I will get the details of my customers here in Pabbly Connect, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customers by wishing them a very Merry Christmas. So over here to send a WhatsApp message, I'm going to use Vati. So by using Vati, I'm going to send the WhatsApp message. You can use Interact, AI Sensi or some other applications as well. So in my case, I'm selecting the action application as Vati to send the WhatsApp message, and the action event will be to send the template message. So over here, you can see that I have selected my trigger application and the action applications. So my objective is to send Christmas wishes to customers on WhatsApp. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that I've added the name and the phone number of my customers. So over here, I've added the name and the phone number of my 250 customers over here. And now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to these customers wishing a very Merry Christmas. So now to do this, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. So as in our trigger application, we have already selected that we want to run this workflow once. That is only on Christmas. That will be 25th December and at 10 a.m. So now moving ahead, as I've got the details of my customers in a Google Sheet. So over here, we are going to fetch the data. So now in order to do that, here I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to sign in with my Google account. Here I'm going to click on Allow as this is a secure access. And you can see the authorization is successful. So here you can see Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So taking you to my Google Sheet. Over here you can see that the name of this Google Sheet is customers data. It consists of two columns, that is of name and a phone number, and it only consists of one sheet. So here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to select the spreadsheet as customer data. And you can see that the selected sheet is sheet 1 automatically. So now here I need to enter the range of the sheet till where I want to fetch the data. So here from A2 till B250, I want to fetch the data. So over here, you can see that 250 is the last row over here. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention it as A2. And now here I'm going to mention B250. So this is my range. Once I've done this, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see I have received a response. So over here, the response is in a very distorted manner. So now here I'm going to toggle off this button and go to advanced format. So now once I've done this, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now in the response received, you can see that I have received the response in an array format. So now to get this response in a proper key and value format, so what I'm going to do is over here I'm going to click on this add action step. And here I'm going to use Iterator by Pabbly. So by using Iterator by Pabbly, I'm going to process the response that is in array format. Here I'm going to click on connect. And now it has already chosen the response result as the choose array part. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see that I have received the response in a proper format. So now moving ahead, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customers, in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now I'm going to add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So taking you to my Vati account, here I will go to API docs. And here is the access token. I'm going to copy the same. And in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it over here. So once this is done for the API endpoint, again, I'm going to copy it. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So once I've mentioned the API endpoint and the access token, here I'm going to click on save. And you can see Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So here I need to mention the WhatsApp number. So now to mention the WhatsApp number, I'm going to use this method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the phone number in the response, so here I'm going to map it and I have mapped it. So now moving to template. So in Vati, I'm going to take you to my templates. So I'm going to take you to my template. And over here, you can see that I have added an image over here in the template that is for Merry Christmas. And now here I've mentioned this as the body content, which is a sweet Christmas wish. And the regards goes as Pabbly. So here after dear, I have mentioned the name as well. So here after dear, I want to mention the name of my customer. So this here is a custom parameter. So this will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So now taking you back to Pabbly Connect. Over here, I'm going to select the template as Merry Christmas. So if you have provided any broadcast name in your template, you can mention it over here as well. So now moving to the custom parameter part. So as I've discussed that after dear, this name is a custom parameter. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the same format. And now in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So over here, this custom parameter is for name. So I'm going to mention name and the value will be the name of the customer. So here I'm going to remove this and I'm going to map the name of the customer. So here you can see that I have mapped the name of the customer. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped all of the details, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So that means a WhatsApp message has been sent to my customer. So I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message as well. So here you can see that this here is the WhatsApp message that will be sent to my customers on Christmas, that is 25th of December at 10 a.m. So here after dear, you can see that here is the name of the customer. Here is the Christmas wish and here goes the regards. That means an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to my customers on Christmas. So this automation and integration is a successful one. That means an automated Christmas wish will be sent to my customers on the day of Christmas at 10 a.m. So by using Schedule by Pabbly, I have scheduled that this automated WhatsApp message should be sent on Christmas, and I'm getting the details of my customers by using my Google Sheets where I have added the customer data, and then by using the iterator by Pabbly, I'm going to process the arrays, and then by using Wati, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customers on Christmas. So guys, wish you a Merry Christmas. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.